afternoon, night, whatever time you are watching, welcome or welcome back to my channel. For today's video is another sit-down makeup related video, and I'm really excited to do this because this is my second time doing a transformation video. I will be doing a Kendall transformation, so if you want to see it, then please keep on watching. Kasi si Kendall, I feel like yung mga outfits ni Kendall very basic and comfy. Yun lang yung two words na ma-incorporate ko sa style ni Kendall. Basic and comfy, pero more on the comfy side. Kasi lagi lang siya naka-jeans. Actually, mga mom jeans. Tapos naka-tank top lang siya. Very street style, pero comfy, yet edgy pa rin siya. But on this transformation, alam niyo naman how girly I am. So, I decided to do a little bit of girly na style niya. Pero at the same time, still simple. Hindi siya mahirap gawin, even the makeup and hair. So, I decided to go for this look. I hope you can see it properly, but I'll just flash it here na lang. Super simple lang nung outfit niya. Actually, 4 lang yung mga items na pinakakailangan niyo para lang makita talaga na ni-recreate natin siya. So, first is itong long sleeves dress. Second is a brown baguette bag. Anything that you have in there, go use it. And then, nakita natin yung black na sunnies niya. Pero kung wala kayong knee-high boots, guys, just get a normal pair of boots na heels nyo. Kahit ankle length lang siya, okay lang yun, guys. Just put on a knee-length na socks. And then, magmumukha na siyang actual na knee-high boots, diba? Ganun lang yun. Para-paraan lang when it comes to outfit. I went on a very simple look ni Kendall. So, here it is. I'll just flash it again there. So, as you can see, no makeup look. And then, kitang-kita rin natin sa brows niya, parang ano lang siya, bushy brows. And then, just a gloss. So, that's what we're going for. I'm so excited because medyo glowy yung look niya. And alam niyo naman, more on the matte ako when it comes to that. Even though mahilig ako sa highlighter, pero I end up looking matte sa mga pictures ko. So, I'll do a more dewy look right now. Primer or mga base natin. So, I'm using this Elana Mineral Cosmetics DD plus CC Makeup Primer. Actually, this is SPF 30. Napansin ko dito, actually hindi ko siya laging gamit kasi alam niyo naman na favorite ko yung Quick Effects na primer. Pero napansin ko siya, tuwing ginagamit ko siya, laging nagiging dewy yung look ko or yung pinaka-base ko. BB cream, I'll still be using the Nivea Sun UV Face na BB cream. This is SPF 50+. I'm using this Detail Velvet Flush in the shade Bow. Para mas maging glowy yung look natin, maglalagay ako ng e.l.f. Natural Glow Stick. So yan, nakita nyo na instantly naging glowy yung face ko. I like to use that, kaya lang medyo sticky siya sa face, to be honest. So, hindi ko siya sinusuot lagi pagka, alam niyo yun, pagka may mga events lang, dahil alam kong naka-aircon, pero pag nasa labas nako, sobrang sweaty feeling yung glow stick na yan. Pero ang ganda niya tignan. For our powder naman, super dab, onting dab lang ng powder because I don't wanna put too much coverage kasi nga, we're going for that glowy natural look, diba? We'll go on straight with our brows. So, bushy nga yung brows natin. I'll be using the Brow Biz. Grabe, sobrang busy ko lang lately. Kaya meron akong in-skip. Diba dapat weekly vlogs tayo? Pero may na-skip ako ng isang week because sobrang dami ko nang ginawang mga requirements lang. Dahil may mid-year ako. And ang dami kong pinlan for vlog, so stay tuned kasi super dami ko pang i-release na mga fashion related videos for you guys na I'm so excited na makita nyo. Hinay-hinay lang tayo, mahina lang ang kalaban, ako lang to. Gamit ako ng stick brow pencil. It's been a while since I've used one. So, yeah. I know it's not as thin as Kendall's, but it's the lightest that I could go for. Let's go on straight with our eyes. I'm still contemplating kung gagamit ba ako ng falsies, but gora tayo dahil feeling ko naka-extension si Kendall here, or I don't know if it's her natural lashes, but it's so long. I feel like naka-falsy siya. Okay, I'm done putting on my falsies. As you can see, hindi siya ganun ka-heavy dahil wala pa tayong eyeshadow na nilalagay. Now, let's proceed with the eyeshadow. Very minimalist lang din. I can see na very dramatic lang yung pagkalagay ng dito sa may lower lash line na eyeshadow. Afterwards, if you're satisfied now with the look, let's proceed now with the bronzer. I'll be using this Cheek to Cheek na by Squad in the shade Pear. Our highlighter. Para mas maging glowy siya, I'll be using this Fresh Formula Glow Boost. I'll be using this Blitz Bish in Espresso Break. I'll be using this Maybelline Clay Crush. Parang feeling ko ito yung similar shade to it. It looks like that. Medyo mas naging brown siya because of the shade Espresso Break. But so far, I'm loving this look. Okay, so I'm done planchahin yung hair ko. Okay, ayusin ko lang yan ng Victress. Simpleng-simple lang, ganyan lang. Para lang ma-tame down yung mga hair ko. Kasi feeling ko super gulo na lagi ng hair ko. I'll just change my outfit and I'll be right back. Okay, so for our outfit, you wouldn't appreciate it kung hindi ako nasa white background. Hindi pa ako mahulog. Simple lang yung look natin. Wala kasi akong long sleeves na parang see-through yung dress kasi braless si Kendall dito. Kita yung nipples niya. But I do have this little black suit na dress na I got from Shopee. As you can see, it's a mini dress. And then for the bag, I went on for this brown na baguette bag lang. Ito lang yung meron akong baguette bag na color brown, as in yung darker version. And then for the sunglasses, syempre, we wouldn't forget the sunglasses. I have a two all black na sunnies. I feel like dun sa suot ni Kendall, which is yung glasses na yan, I feel like yung suot niya na glasses more of nasa cat eye look siya. So, I really wanted to use this. It gives me more of the Prada look, pero mas more on Kendall look itong cat eye. So, this is the look. Ayan. And then, of course, we wouldn't forget the knee-high boots. For our accessories, meron lang siyang gold na earrings, but I'll try to put on a drop na gold earrings, and then wala siyang necklace, so tatanggalin natin yung necklace natin. Ito lang yung meron akong drop na earrings. Super liit lang niya, hindi yung katulad kay Kendall na parang chain talaga. Pero this will do, basta any drop earrings naman that you have in there. Look is complete, and now let's do the montage and the fitting. So yeah.
I ain't tryna. Yeah, ain't tryna be cool like you. Wobbling around in your high heel shoes, I'm clumsy. Made friends with the floor. 2 for 1, you know a bitch by 4. And 2 left feet, you know I always drop. First thing a girl did was a bop. And the whole damn cake and the cherry on top. Shook up the bottom, made a good girl pop. You ain't even here to party. Ken in the club tryna pipe a Barbie. I don't wanna go with the flow back then until I touch my toes. I don't wanna roll the boat. Wrist full of rocks and I hope I float. Big up yourself cause you know they don't. I chew cause they hope I show. I'm a bitch, I'm a boss. I'm a bitch and a boss, I'ma shine like glass. I'm a bitch,